a student of AMAS 72 batch, to the AMAS Hall for felicitation for having cracked the SSB. For having cracked the SSB from 2 FSB Mysore on 28th June, just about 2.5 weeks back, and she's also cleared her medical. So now we should be waiting for the merit list. So we wish her all the best for the merit. And Sejal, before I present you the AMAS tie and the AMAS cup, I would like you to share your experience of your preparation as well as your SSB experience and how did it help you, since it was the first time you must have seen everything in the SSB for the first time. Must have been quite, awestruck and how things are there. So how was your experience? Would you like to share?
Hello everyone. So I was a fresher when I came to AMAS. I did not know anything about SSB. What is GTO, psych, कुछ भी नहीं पता था. Even हमें जब PIQs भराए थे for the interviews. So I filled it like completely. It was complete खिचड़ी. Then when I came here, संदीप सर अभी बता रहे थे शायद आप लोग को भी. So that format. So I followed that format. I even practiced PIQ filling two times when I went home from AMAS. Then everything that is told here is more than sufficient. The rules and everything. I guess अभी तक आप लोग को नहीं पढ़ा होगा इतना, तो सब बताएंगे धीरे धीरे. Listen to everything carefully, write it down, practice it, and fit कर लो दिमाग में. Whether it's psych, GK, news, GTO, whatever. Then writing practice, obviously you have to write down everything for psych, because for AFSB especially, they take psych on the day of screening. So after screening, everyone is very tired and they hardly give you after the documentation and all, you hardly get 1 hour or 45 minutes to rest. So your brain should be like in such a way that even when you're tired, you should be able to attempt all the psych questions. SRTs हो जाने चाहिए, VAT questions हो जाने चाहिए. Personally, I did get a little nervous, but then I went back to basics. I remembered what I did in class. Like few words were new. Like we got words like so many words were like definitions बन जाएंगे उस पे, statement नहीं बन पा रहा था. Like we got infantry, artillery and many noun वाले words थे. So I did what sir said कि first जो आ रहा है वो लिख दो. So that was it. Don't leave it empty. Whatever, how much you can do, write it clean, neatly. Sir बताएंगे ही आप लोग को बाद में. Then for SRTs also, write it neatly and practice whatever is given here. बहुत सारी practice होगी, तो don't worry about it. Then just listen. Class में जब sir बताते हैं ना, तो it used to happen in our batch. Everyone was so excited to tell their answers that they used to leave what sir is saying. So it is important to listen. Then for the screen in, what I followed is sir had told me where if there's a fish market situation. So I followed that. There was a girl in my batch, in my group. So she was very loud and very aggressive. And she was sitting next to me. So I was the one most affected by her. And she was totally imposing her story. And it was a very simple story. It wasn't very difficult, but she was complicating it. So what I did, I looked at her. I looked at her and I just nodded my head and I said, okay, good point. Let's start. Then she went quiet. This will be told to you later. Sir will tell you, and it works. So after that, our group got a little calm and we went on with the discussion. Then after screen in for OIR, it's very basic. Ma'am is teaching. 223 reported, 75 screened in, and 9 got recommended.
Out of 223, 9 got recommended. And they're in that. After that psych test, then how was the GTO? 1 day, 2 day GTO?
GTO was 2 days, sir.
2 days.
And it was raining also, so few tasks were shifted here and there. We did command task wearing raincoat, so so we got a little concession due to rain. Like GOR and everything was on first day, and after GOR, our lecturate was there, so our throats were completely gone. So and lecturate was also whatever is told here. In my group, no people finished before time, and that is what I did in the first 2 practices here. My first 2 practices were a complete disaster, so I was already scared. But then I practiced lecturate. When I went home, 2 days I completely gave to lecturate. I used to practice in mirror in front of family members, and I used to record. So there are so many recordings. And since I got very little time for preparing all the 160-50 topics. What I did in WhatsApp group, you get homework. So at the airport, I had 8 hours layover. So I listened to all the recordings that were on the group. So I listened whatever was good 2-3 times. I did that.
Yesterday we did that. Utility.
Yeah.
Likewise, we'll have the lecturate also. So keep that recording. She use it. Okay.
Everything, because when you're traveling, after screening you don't get your phone. So before that you can do all the preparations. After screening you just focus, and sir will tell you be the cool dude in SSB. So that helped me, because I was involving with every group, not only in my group, even in repeaters batch. What I did was simply, if someone is discussing, I would go there, stand and nod my head. So they would think of me as a part of their group and they will start talking with me. So that helped me in command task. Like 8 out of 5 people called me. Then GTO sir, what he did, he called me at the end because everyone was calling my name. So he called me at the end and he gave me, I guess it was a difficult task, but if you focus in class, the rules which will be told to you, every GTO task will be easy for you. Just follow the basics. What happens on GTO ground is it gets complicated. Obviously, everyone is yelling and screaming. So just focus, calm down, and focus what you have learned in class. Back to the basics. Basics is everything that will help you. Then focus on the news, GK part, because if you're joining Army, Navy, Air Force, whatever, you must know. They expect you to know. And not only like if someone is from defense background, it was happening in our batch. Air Force walo ko, they were asking Army ke questions just to know how aware you are, because obviously if you're from Air Force background you will know what is going on in the Air Force, so you should know for the Army. Navy ke ranks we often ignore. Army and Air Force people, we don't remember the ranks. Okay, we just leave it like Koni puch raha hai. So don't do that because it was asked. Even the JCOs and the NCO ranks, that was also asked. Then the stream you're joining, the branches you have opted, know their sub branches, what they deal with, the weapons and everything about your branch, about your academy, however your training will be after the then for news, definitely know the they were asking gist. So if you tell something, they would definitely know if you know it in detail. Like a few of them were asked, they told the heading. So even if you don't know what is in the news, just say it confidently so the interviewer know that you knows it. Okay, it is all, interview is completely on your confidence. So for me, it was based on my PIQ, and for freshers, they were focusing on your personality, because knowledge based questions they were asking. Obviously, like for me, he asked me which aircraft I want to fly and why. So what is so special about their aircraft? Then about my branches, he asked me questions. So just know and say, answer everything confidently. And before me in my batch, a recommended candidate came. I took his point. He said, when you're giving an interview, answer the why, so that the interviewer doesn't cross question you. So if he asks you about your friends, tell everything about your friends and say it in a proper framed manner, like it should not be jumbled. And if he asks you about your background education, tell him the stream, tell him why you opted for the stream and what scope you see in that stream. So if you answer his questions, he will definitely not cross question you. Answer everything eye to eye, ekdam confidence mein, so your interview will be smooth. Then interact with everyone in SSB, like your group around you, everything, it will help you. Then later on things will be told to you. Then I don't want to confuse you by my things, and sir will tell you everything. Just focus.
How was the conference?
Conference was small, sir. It was, I guess 20 seconds or 30 seconds. They just asked me how was my stay and weather and everything.
So, Sejal, you're from just as off question, you're from a civilian background, right? So why did you choose Army as a career? Or Air Force or Army?
So my uncle is a retired captain in army, so that inspired me. Yeah. He
So it's
even
really-
asked me this question.
Yeah, it's a
He
very
asked me
common
why
question.
I don't want to go for army and why Air Force. So you should know, you should be clear about what you're saying. That is the main.
Right. So that's her version of SSB. And how many days did you have after you finished AMAS and the SSB? About 2 weeks?
10 days.
10 days. So how many hours did you study during 10 days?
Sir, I divided you had given us the timetable. So I had divided my time like 2 days I gave to lecturate because I knew it was weak. Then the constant feedback that I was getting from day one was voice modulation. My voice is not such that it stands out in a group. So I was worried about that. So I practiced that in mirror, or I would call my friends. Even from SSB, I had a very good group. We were 12 girls, but we had a good group. So that group matters. Even here, you should form groups, and it matters. We were 3 people in the same board. So same batch, same board. We were there, and we got screened in, and we helped each other there also. We would sit in TV room till 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock, and we would just revise whatever is given. We would lecturate ke practice we used to do. GTO, like my friend had her group was different, so her GTO was after me, and my lecturate was after her. So we introduced topics and whatever. So we helped each other. So that should be there.
So thank you so much, Sejal, and we wish you a very good merit position. God bless you with that, and so that your dream of joining armed forces comes true. So before you people eat the sweets, let me present to her the Emma's tie and the cup.